This baby AI dance video is currently trending and is generating millions of views, making creators thousands of dollars. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to generate your own baby AI dance video. I'll also give you tips at the end of this video. I'll give you tips to use this trending AI dance video in your videos, whichever niche you're into, so that you won't miss out on this trend. So come, let's get started. Step 1, get an image. For instance, I want my dancing baby to look like this, or this. So you go on TikTok. So when you get to TikTok, you search for baby AI trend. Now, you'll see a lot of baby AI dance videos. You just look for anyone you like. You want to use it as inspiration. You select any of them. Then you take screenshots of the baby. We want to use it to generate our prompts because I'm not a prompt engineer and I don't want to stress my head. So I will just select anyone I like, ask ChatGPT to create the prompt that will use to generate that image. You get, then you can tweak that image to look like any other this thing you like, any other image you like, if you don't want to use that exact image. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to create you a prompt that can generate that AI image. So now I'll upload that AI image to ChatGPT. Just click on the plus sign, add photo. Good. Then you select the AI image. Let's say I want to select this one. When you select your AI image, then you ask ChatGPT, generate me a prompt that I can use to create an image like this. You get wait for ChatGPT to give us an answer. Okay? Now, this is the prompt. You can see now we do not like stress ourselves looking for a prompt to generate the image. So you just copy the prompt. Now let's say you want to change the clothes she's putting on. You don't want an African clothes. You can just come here and then like change the clothes. You just write, maybe you want her to be putting on a top and a jean. You just edit your prompt to a top and a jean. That's after you copy the prompt. Let's say I want to copy this prompt now. I've copied my prompt. Then I want to use this ChatGPT now to create the image. I'll just before I paste my prompt, I'll just write generate me an image of, then you now paste that prompt we copied. Good. When you paste it, if you want to change like the hairstyle, the dress, you can just do it from here. You just say, okay, you don't want her to be putting on wrapper and whatever, just change it to maybe jeans and top, you understand, whatever you want the baby to be putting on. Next, you just click on this. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget this. There's something I forgot to mention. You add the image size because you want the image to come in maybe the TikTok size kind of image. That's 9:16. You get. Let's redo that again. Generate me an image of. You paste the prompt. Now you know we forgot to add the image size initially. Image size 9:16. Now you can see ChatGPT now is giving me what I don't know. It's telling me they cannot generate the image because it violates their whatever. Now what I'm going to do is let's add cartoon. Yeah, their cartoons. So I did not change anything in the prompt. I only added cartoon because I think ChatGPT is seeing it as a human character. So I added cartoon so that it will generate me the image. You get. Also, don't forget to add your image size so you get this TikTok image size. This it generated that exact picture. So I'm just going to download the image. Good, we are done with step 2. Step 3, we go to TikTok and look for a creator that dance. You get maybe any creator you want to like replicate the dancing step. Maybe you see a dance and you love the dancing step, you want to replicate it with that baby AI. So you just go to TikTok and search for, let's say I love there's this lady I saw, is it Afro Blurries. You can search for any creator, you get any creator at all that you love. So there is this creator Afro Blurries. I love one of her video, her dancing video. Okay, let's say this one. I think it's this video here. So I'll just click on it to download it. I don't want the music in the background to play. We get to avoid copyright issues. So I'll just tap on her video. So I'll just click on this share icon here. Good. I'll click on it to download the video. You get. If you don't see the download icon, you can just like copy the video link, go to TikTok downloader and download the video. So give it some time to download. Good. It has downloaded. Now the next step, that's step 4, we are going to use an AI tool to now make that our AI image dance. That's the AI image we generated from ChatGPT. We'll be using this lady as our dancer. You get to want to replicate her dancing move. You get. I would have played the video, but I don't want the music to play to avoid copyright issues. You get. So another thing you need to know, if your video is over 30 seconds, this lady's video is how many seconds? Oh, we are good. Her video is just 22 seconds. Yes, you can see it up here, down here, 22 seconds. Then it's okay. If your video is over 30 seconds, just use CapCut and then trim the video down, like cut it down to like maybe 29 seconds. You get to use it. I think that AI tool we are going to use doesn't generate a long video. So now let's carry out the step 4, making our AI dance. So you go to your Play Store and search for Clean AI. This is it. We are going to download this AI. The next step is for us to make our AI image dance. So this is Clean AI. Done my registration. You just need to use your email address to register. So for you to create that dancing image, you click on this AI video. Make sure it's this motion control. Motion control. You can see motion control up here. Just tap on it. Next step is for us to add our dancing video. That's the video of the creator you downloaded on TikTok or anywhere you downloaded the dancing video from. So you just tap on this add motion here. Select from gallery. So we'll just select the video. This is the video I want to use. I'll just tap on the video, click on done, tap on this to select, click on done. You get it's uploading. Good, it has finished uploading. Now make sure the video you want to use is selected in green. You can see it here. It's selected in green, right? So now the next thing is to upload our image, the AI image that we generated. That's the AI image that ChatGPT generated for us. Select it. Good. It's loading. So wait for it to show up before we carry out the next step. Okay, please, if you're watching and you got to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe to help this channel grow. And please, if you have any video, any guide you want me to like create on AI, tech, remote job, you can just drop it in the comment section and I will create it for you. Now our video is ready. Sorry, our image is here. You can see her. You can see the baby image up here. Now the next step is to paste your prompt. Now you type in this prompt. The character in the uploaded image should replicate the exact motions, expressions, and steps shown in the reference video. So please, if you want me to send you the prompt, just type prompt in the comment section. I will just like easily forward it to you, then copy it and paste. Now we are here. You can see we've uploaded our image, our baby AI. Then here we uploaded the dancing video we want to replicate. Then here we paste the prompt. So the next step is to generate. Make sure this your motion video is selected in green. You're seeing green right here. Good. Make sure it's selected. I want to say something. This particular app, they have a paid version, so they give you free credits when you register for the first time. So their paid version, I think you can buy around 100 credit for like $1 or less than $1 or so. So if maybe your credit is not enough, you can just like purchase some credits to get your video done. So I'll be dropping link to this AI tool in my comment section, because you can use the browser version, you can still use the app version. If you don't want to download the app, you don't want many apps in your phone, you can just use the browser version. So I will drop link to the AI tool, to this Cling AI, for you to be able to access it so you don't stress yourself. So now, to make sure everything is ready, because this step is very important, you use your credit. So to avoid making mistake, just make sure everything is ready. Then you click on this green icon to generate your video. It's generating, so wait for it to like generate. It won't take much time. You can see up here showing it's generating. Please, if you watch to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe so to help this channel grow. If you have any video or any guide you want me to create, either AI guide, AI video guide, or video editing, or maybe anything related to Web3, guys, in crypto, you can just drop it in the comment section and I will help you create it. So let's give it time to download, then we'll see our results. I just hope you give us a good result. This AI thing, sometimes when you do the first one, it won't give you the perfect result you want. You can just like create again, like generate another one until you get your results. I will just pause this video and wait for it to finish generating. I think it will take like around 8 minutes or so for it to generate. So our video is ready and I love what I'm seeing, man. This is nice. So this is just it. This is how to create your own dancing video. I would have played the voice so that you guys will hear the background music, but then to avoid copyright issues, so I will just click on this download icon to download my video. Like I said earlier, I'll be giving you tips on how to like infuse this AI image or AI dancing video into whatever niche you're creating. Let's say you're into video editing, you can just create this AI dancing image and use it to like teach your students how to edit videos. If you're into storytelling, you can just create a story around maybe a girl that knows how to dance, and then you use this AI dancing video in your image. So that's all for the AI dancing video. Just need to download and use it. That's all. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to help this channel grow. Bye.